Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my another session. This is MK. I'm back with a new video. This is all about shrimp, how to set up shrimp house, which food they like and what kind of environment they like. So as you can see, this is a food carrot setup for breeding pair shrimp. I ordered some shrimp from my friends, so before they came into my farm I have to set up a new tank for them. So as you can see, they are food carrot with lots of natural plant and green water. If you don't know about green water and shrimp setup, please let me know. I will also give you some videos about green water and fish accessories and fish natural environment about. So as I told you, this is a shrimp setup. Here you can see hornet for breed and some java moss. I don't know if you can see it or not. Java moss is must need for shrimp. It's a kind of food for shrimp. You can culture java moss in your farm, or you can buy it, or you can find it any nearby pond nearby. You can easily find it any pond and river water. It's kind of green and green plant. So if you want to breed shrimp, you do not need any fancy things or fancy items. You just need some live plants and java moss and also sunlight. Shrimp are very active in sunlight, so they need it. And if you don't know how to culture java moss, please let me know. Here I can show you my java moss java moss. I cultured them because I don't find it nearby, or I don't find it any local shop, any friends or any friends from any friends. They are very little and very soft. Here it's a green water and java moss here. Java moss is much effective for fish and also shrimp. They keep the fish healthy and active. They are a natural food source. If you forget, or if you don't give your shrimp food, so it's okay, no need, they can eat java moss. Shrimp eats only fish food like optimum floating feed and spirulina, or live plants. They like live plant like cucumber, tomato, and any kind of vegetables. You can boil them and give it to your fish. This is hornet. I can show you my live plants. This is hornet. This is a denture stream, and this is frog bait. This is all set up for only shrimp. As you can see, this setup is in the sunlight. This carrot can contain two pair breeding shrimp. They can easily live here. Friend, I will give you a complete video after my shrimp arrived. So please, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Please give me a like, comment and share this video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?